Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac. It's Saturday and it's the holidays, so I'm going to walk you through how to make a delicious bourbon caramel sauce. It's easy and extremely delicious, so let me show you how to make it. Round up a sauce pot and off heat add 3/4 of a cup or 150 grams of granulated white sugar. To that you'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next up to bat, 1/8 of a cup of water or 31 milliliters. At this point in the caramel making process, you can turn the burner on to medium to high heat. Grab the pot, give it a shimmy and shake, try to distribute the water evenly throughout the sugar. Once the water is well distributed, put the pot back down on the burner, you can let it sit, leave it alone, and let it come to a light simmer. Watch the heat. If it's too high, turn it down and let the sugar simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Making caramel by adding liquids such as water and lemon juice is called the wet method, as opposed to the dry method, where you heat the sugar alone without any liquids. The wet method is a little bit easier, and you have less of a chance of burning the sugar. Moreover, I've been told throughout the years that by adding lemon juice, it also helps reduce the chances or likelihood of crystallization of the sugar. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. Whenever the sugar is a light amber type color, you can turn off the heat and take the pot off the burner. At this point in the sauce making process, the sauce, it comes together really quickly. So it's a very good idea to have the remaining ingredients ready to go. First off, pour in 1/2 of a cup or 125 milliliters of heavy cream, also called double cream or whipping cream in some countries. Keep whisking as you pour in the cream, but be careful, the sauce, it's hot and it will spit and sputter, so make sure not to burn yourself. Once the cream is well mixed in, you can put the pot back on the burner. Turn the burner on to medium to low and bring the caramel sauce to a light simmer. Occasionally give it a quick whisk. And whenever it begins to simmer, cook it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next step is to turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons or 28 grams of unsalted butter. Mix off heat and use the residual heat of the pan to melt the butter. After the butter is melted in, add a pinch of salt. If you have sea salt, it'd be great to use for this recipe. Stir it in and snag your favorite bourbon. Pour in 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters and give it a quick mix. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a bourbon caramel sauce. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes and you can have it on the spot, or you can put it into the refrigerator to cool off. Don't worry, it won't harden up. You can still drizzle it on that Christmas pudding, on crepes. You can put it on ice cream, waffles, you name it. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.